Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So if you are new to WordPress and you are looking for a step-by-step tutorial that how you can install a WordPress theme, then this video is for you. So a theme is one of the essential part of any WordPress website. Theme is the foundation for a website's overall appearance. So in WordPress, we have two types of themes. First one is free theme and the second one is paid theme. So in this tutorial, I will show you that how you can install a free theme and also how you can install a paid theme. So let's get started. First, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. So here is my neat and clean WordPress dashboard. Always ensure that you are on your WordPress dashboard. So for installing a free theme, first we have to visit appearance. Then we can see that we have an option that is themes. We have to click on this themes. So here we have WordPress by default themes. We have to always choose our theme as per our website requirements. So just click on this add new button. So here we can see that we have an option that is search themes. We have to type our theme name here. So I'm typing Cadence. You can search any theme that you want to install. So see, here is the Cadence one. Now click on this install button. Now click on activate. So that's it. Our theme has successfully installed on our website. So you can follow the same process for installing any kind of free theme. So now I will show you that how you can install a paid theme. For uploading a paid theme, you have to first buy that theme. For example, that you want to buy a Cadence theme. So first visit their website and buy their pro version. When you will buy their pro version, you will get a zip file of that theme. So we have to just upload that zip file on our WordPress dashboard. For uploading that zip file, you have to click on this add new option again. Here we can see that we have an option that is upload theme. We have to just click on this upload theme. Here you can see that we have an option that is choose file. So I will choose my Cadence zip file here and now click on install and then activate. So that was a very simple process for uploading a paid theme and free theme to your WordPress dashboard. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.